I don't know, I thought this room was quite elegant, to be honest. I mean, I don't see how our styling isn't great. For Neil to say that, you know, that wall looks like something from the 1980s, it's like, come on, mate. And so are your clothes. Don't take something that we've put our heart and soul into and just be completely negative about everything. Like, it's like I don't go to him and say, mate, grow your hair. What's up? I'm really not looking forward to the next few weeks.
But, Sarah, Neil is a judge. His job is to judge rooms and award wins so that you can use prize money to get the best result come auction day. Your job is to be judged.
Everyone's got opinions and they just need to shut up. I don't want to hear everyone else's opinion. I don't care about your opinion.
I just hope the judges aren't watching this episode.